First part of this day, this workshop is dedicated to strategic planning. Now may I invite my colleague Dr. Zahir Kazi to take you through the journey of SWOT, which means identifying our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities and challenges. Earlier this was called SWOT. T is replaced by C. T was a negative word and C is challenges. So this is the workshop. We begin with Dr. Zahir Kazi. The forum is yours. Thank you very much.
Thank you for organizing this office actually, and that sets the whole platform to see where we want to go in terms of the plans.
Strength, weaknesses, what we found, and it was a continual process. And very recently we have undergone NAC accreditation. So our strength, as you see here, 145 years historical parent body. So I think please open your SWOT sheets, and based on what has been explained, we expect at least one important strength, one important weakness, one important opportunity, and one important challenge should be reflected
It is said that before entering the sea, a river trembles with fear. She looks back at the path she has traveled, from the peaks of the mountains, the long winding road, crossing forests and villages. And in front of her, she sees an ocean so vast that to enter there seems nothing more than to disappear forever. But there is no other way. The river cannot go back. Nobody can go back. To go back is impossible in existence. The river needs to take the risk of entering the ocean, because only then will fear disappear. Because that's where the river will know it's not about disappearing into the ocean, but of becoming the ocean. And we here today have learned that we are also part of this ocean called Anjuman-I-Islam.
इतना अच्छा वक्त गुजरा, कुछ लोगों ने मुझे ये सलाह भी दी थी आप थक जाएंगे क्या जरूरत है, बट मैंने कहा नहीं, मुझे बहुत कुछ सीखना है और यहाँ मैं सीखूंगी, आज नहीं तो कल कुछ न कुछ तो मैं शेयर कर पाऊंगी, कुछ इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाऊंगी। रज़ाक साहब, आपकी और आपकी टीम ने प्रेसिडेंट की सरपरस्ती में और बुरहान हारिस साहब की सरपरस्ती में वंडर्स किए आपकी टीम के साथ। सुबह से एक एक टॉपिक, इट वाज रियली वर्थ गेटिंग इन्वॉल्व टोटली इनटू दैट।
We have learned a lot, like development of systems, procedures and documentations. We learned leadership and team building. We have learned the end management. We learned a very good lesson from that. We need not to employ extra people or extra head. Of presenters was one of the best, selected by Dr. Razak. He himself presented in the best possible way, and he is a real leader. We wish to emulate him, and we would like to conduct this type of workshop.
Was very meticulously planned, and whatever they taught us or they made us think about, they put it to practice.
And resource leaders यहाँ मेरे सब हैं, आप लोग इसलिए यहाँ हैं कि अंजुमन considers you as leaders, HMs, deans, principals. अभी जितना बोलूँ मैं बार बार यही बोलूँगा जो अभी तक मैंने बोला, इसलिए थैंक यू वेरी मच। और फिर वही अपने आप को याद दिला रहा हूँ, रात हो चुकी है और सभी जमात की तरह वक्त, टाइम सुनना करते हुए थैंक यू वेरी मच। थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग हियर, थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग इन सच मेजॉरिटी। रात तो नहीं हुई, अभी शाम हो गई। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातहू। नमस्कार, very good evening. There will be a historical day in the history of Anjuman-I-Islam that for the first time in last 145 years, in a campus which is vibrant and role model for Anjuman, we had a full day session to understand what the governance is all about, to understand what is the audit for education, and on all parameters. We had a brainstorming today. This will go down in the history as one of the finest moments. And I am saying with so much of confidence that I believe in you, that whatever was said today has got fixed in your gray matter, and you will start doing it from tomorrow. So every one of us who take that positions of governance, who takes that position of responsibility, you should not be looking at your watch. मैंने एक बड़ी खूबी पाई है इनमें, रज़ाक साहब से लेके इनकी प्योर तक, ये यहाँ से वक्त पे आते हैं, जाने का वक्त को अपनी घड़ी की तरफ नहीं देखते जो डॉक्टर अक्सर करते हैं। एक कल्चर, this culture should be imbibed by all of us. मुझे नहीं पता इनमें गुड गवर्नेंस के बारे में क्या है, पहले गवर्नेंस के बारे में क्या होगा, गुड गवर्नेंस के बारे में क्या होगा। मैं तो ये चाहता हूँ कि एक्सीलेंट गवर्नेंस की बात कीजिए, गुड के बाद क्या आता है? गुड, बेटर, बेटर के बाद बेस्ट, बेस्ट के थोड़ा ऊपर जाओ तो एक्सेलेंट बोला जाता है। हमने वो करना चाहिए। और आज के दौर में सब कुछ मुमकिन है। अंजुमन है तो सब कुछ मुमकिन है। जो शुड बी ऑफ अगली बार मिलेंगे 6 महीने के बाद। ठीक है? See you. Thank you very much. You have been good students today. Your role when it was changed from a teacher, principal to a student. I think all of you are good students. And therefore you reached this position. Keep doing that. Thank you very much.
Experience. The point when we entered the campus, it was wonderful. I was aware that we will be taken care good. I mean, everyone was there to take care of us. Everything was fantastic.
Speaking about today's workshop, I think it's a very bright idea, so as to understand the good governance which is required for the leaders of all the institutes of the Anjuman-I-Islam Education Trust.
To introspect and move forward for the next 5 years till we reach 150 years of Anjuman.
We have the activities kept us engrossed, and that was a good way of involving us in this session, and I hope to see some more good things and learn, because learning never stops.
Enjoyed every bit of this workshop. It's very insightful, and as a leader I feel it's very important to reflect on our own practices about good governance and leadership strategies in institute. If we really want to progress, I think this is one area where we really need to focus on and is the need of the hour.
Reality is the excellent part of this. Everyone is active, and I'm happy and I'm learning throughout the day.
We need more such exercises to happen. We can know each other, every institute very well, and we can collaborate together to work out for a better future for the students.
Event planned, and also the thinking to have this kind of a event is very good. I'm also very happy to see that Mr. Razak and Harris sir has done a lot of work, research work on this institute.